Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can access the help center on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to suno.com. As you go to suno.com, you will see this type of profile once you sign in. If you don't have your Suno AI account, don't you worry, because you can create a Suno AI account using Apple ID, Facebook, Google and Microsoft. So go ahead and create your account, and if you want any type of help with the help team of Suno, you can find help over here on the left hand corner. So right below what's new there is help. Just go ahead and click on it. Make sure that you have signed into your account, because this option will not be shown as you will not be signed in. So after you click on help, which is right on the left hand side corner, go ahead and click help and you will see this type of page. Now you can see various articles over here about making music, billing, rights and ownership, accounts, troubleshooting. You can just go ahead and click on any of the articles which you want to read. So you can see various articles, it will help you. So you can search for anything like password or creator account. You can see that there will be some options or articles which will appear. Go ahead and click on the articles which you really want to read. This might really help you in solving your problems. So you can see some of the customer service portal over here as well. You can just go ahead and click on it, message Suno and solve your problem as well. So I hope this video about how you can access the help center on Suno AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.